Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, we'll talk about everything crypto, airdrops, how to do, basically how to help you navigate this space while you earn in the process. So if you clicked on the thumbnail of this video, you already know what this video is about, but I'm going to go in depth as always. Now this video is talking about the Opensea Airdrop. What is Opensea? So if you have not been here, or if you're not an OG in this space, you won't really know about Opensea. But if you're an OG, you definitely know about Opensea, because Opensea actually started the NFT trading platform or NFT trading marketplace where people were selling NFTs or pictures, as people would say, for money or for crypto. And it was so big in 2021, 2022, before crypto crashed and the NFT market crashed with it. But here's the thing. Opensea at that point didn't TGE, that they didn't create a token, so they were just a platform generating fees and making money. Now, platforms like Magic Eden and Tensor, which is on the Solana blockchain, actually came up with their own NFT platforms on Solana, and after a while, they TGE'd. So I feel like Opensea, with this new campaign they are running right now, they are trying to incentivize people to stay on their platform so that they can TGE. This was the same thing that Magic Eden did, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. Now, if you can look at the dashboard of my screen, you can see I have 400 XP. I'm going to show you how to get these XPs, and you need to get these XPs consistently, or get at least a lot of them, so that by the time these people are ready to TGE, which I feel like is pretty soon, you'll be among the people that will actually get something from this job. Now, if you are not an OG, probably you won't have created an account. The first thing you do when you come to this website, I'll leave the link in the description below. Connect your wallet as always. Every Web3 account needs a Web3 wallet. Connect your wallet. And once your wallet is connected, you can go to your profile and probably you see your NFTs there. Now note, just like Magic Eden, I don't know about Tensor, but just like Magic Eden, Opensea is open for most chains. That you can connect your Solana, you can connect your Ethereum, and probably your Bees and Abstract. I mostly use Solana right now because the gas fees is obviously affordable for someone to use a blockchain. I don't really like to speculate on Ethereum right now, so I'm going to be doing most of the tax on actually Solana, not Ethereum. So this is how you go about it. Like I said, when you come here, you connect your wallet and you can go to your profile. But once you connect your wallet, the first place you should come to is rewards. If you see, let's come to this is the left hand side of the browser. Come to this part, you see your profile studio. Just go to rewards, go to rewards. Like I said, it's pretty much simple. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that I already claimed 250 XP. That was like yesterday or day before yesterday. I always come here to check out what's new and do the tax so that I can keep claiming these XPs. I'm kind of late because I know a lot of people that have thousands of XPs, but there is no harm in trying and moving forward. Now, how do you claim these XPs? Because this is what will help you be eligible for the job. And I won't claim as much as you can claim, because there could be a threshold on the XP amount that will qualify you for the job. Now, it's easy. Most of these things are just basic, but you need to have some funds in your wallet. And it's not like the funds will go. I'll show you how to do it, but like I said, they're just trying to attract volume and keep people on their website so that they can TGE. Now it says here, purchase $10 of any token on Solana, same chain. So what you just do, you go to view tokens, it has selected Solana because the request actually wants you to do it on the Solana chain. Sometimes it may want you to do it on any chain. As you can see, there are a lot of chains available here. Just select Solana. Now it's showing me different coins on Solana that I can swap $10 for. So I'll check my wallet first. So I have some money here in my USDT, so I'll just click on USDT and I'll swap let's say 11 USDT to Solana, and I'll wait for it to trigger my wallet and ask for a little bit of gas fees as always, and I confirm this transaction, and voila, it has been swapped. Then I can go back and do the same thing again. 0.0, let's do 0.056, let's do 5.4, let's do 5.3, let's do 5.3. So I swapped it back, and then you just go back to the rewards tab. As you can see, purchase $10 of any token on Solana, which I just did. I did it back and forth. I swapped USDT to Solana and Solana back to USD, just $10, and I can claim 100 XP. And that is it. Voyage completed. You get, and I have 500 XP right now. Like I said, it's pretty much easy. It's not really that demanding. Now it says go to any NFT branded collection page, explore a custom branded collection page by going to the About tab and scroll to the bottom. So what do? I have to just go and look for an NFT collection. I'll go to discover. This is where all the NFTs are. It says go to an NFT branded. I want to just go for the one that is on probably Solana. Let me click on Solana here. Let me click on Solana here. I don't need tokens, I need collections. Okay, so on the collection aspect, that's on the what do you call it? For the NFTs, it's mostly tracking only Ethereum and its L2s, but for the token aspect of things, it's tracking Solana. Just discovered that right now. Anyway, I'll just click on Pudgy Penguins. It says go to the About section, so let's see whether we can go to the About section. See how pretty much easy this is. It's not crazy. Go to the About section. Why is it not going to the About? Okay, just my network. So go to the About section. They say scroll to the bottom of the About section. Right. Scroll to the bottom. Scroll to the bottom of the About section. And we go back to the rewards tab. And it's not explore a custom branded collection page. We're going to the About tab and scroll to the bottom. I don't know why this is not going. Probably I'll try it, or it's actually locked. Okay, it said complete buy NFT from a verified collection on any chain. Minimum for okay, for me to do this, I have to first do this, and I don't want to spend my $5 buying an NFT. But to do this is the same way. You just come to view collections. Remember, you only have to spend $5 worth doing this. And the best transactions to do here are the ones where you just have to swap tokens on the Solana blockchain, swap in, swap out, but you just have to only spend gas. You don't have to spend your money putting it in any NFT collection. But let's just see the collections that they want us to buy from. So when you go to collections, as you can see, Arbitrum is here, Ethereum is here, Bees is here. These are mostly Ethereum layer 2s, and they have NFTs on them. Zora is here, Unichain, or whatever. But most of these ones now they are showing you is on the Ethereum chain. As you can see, it's kind of pricey, so I don't even advise you to buy. You're going to definitely see an NFT that doesn't worth much when you start going to these chains like Bees, and when you scroll down you see Abstract and the rest. But if you want to spend money, go for it. I rather go for these ones that you just have to swap tokens in and out, and you just spend gas fees mostly on the Solana blockchain. So I just hope you understand what I have explained so far. So let me just do a quick recap. If you haven't used this platform before, it's pretty much easy. Once you get to the site opensea.io, I will leave the link in the description. Connect your wallet as always. Immediately connect your wallet. Try to have some money in your wallet. Remember, you're not going to spend it, you're going to spend only gas, which is good because you will do most of these transactions on the Solana blockchain. Now you go to the rewards tab. Make sure you just come to the left hand side corner of the browser and go to the rewards tab. And when you come to the rewards tab, you will see voyages like this, like complete eSIM, chain swap, token swap on any chain, which at the most is like minimum of 50 USD. If you don't have 50 USD, you can like skip this one. But this one is pretty much self-explanatory and easy. Purchase $10 for any token, which I just did with my USDT. I swapped to Solana and I swapped it back and I claimed this. Now to do this, I have to buy an NFT collection on any chain. It must not be Ethereum because Ethereum is expensive. You can buy on Base, Arbitrum, collections on there that will cost less than $5. And if you have that amount of money to spend, go for it. And once you do this, you can be able to now do this one and you get like more 100 XP. Just stack the XPs. That's what I'm just trying to say. Stack it. My goal is to keep visiting here and get at least 4,000 to 5,000 XPs doing this token swaps, which always come out most of the time. And as you can see here, it says new voyages in 20 hours. So I feel like they update these voyages on a daily basis so that you have enough time to stack as much XPs as you want. Now last but not the least, you know that yes, the company is about to TGE when you go and check Kaito. Kaito is kind of what's been reigning for a while right now, and a lot of companies or a lot of crypto companies are actually like going through Kaito using the yapping method to bring to bring clouds to their project before they actually TGE. And Opensea is also doing the same thing, so you can yap about them, but this just shows you that TGE is close, so work hard. Let me just show you this on Kaito and I'll be done with this video. Now go to Kaito AI. So if you want to check for links, I would advise you to use Twitter. Come search for whatever platform you're looking for and go. Or if you're watching this video and you want the links to Opensea, I'll leave it in the description below, but always be careful because you don't want to click scam links in this space. You could get drained like that. So Kaito is actually loading. If you're in Nigeria like me, you need a VPN to open Kaito. You can't open Kaito with your normal IP, so just take note of that. I'm not here to talk about Kaito anyway, but when you come to the pre-TGE arena means pre-token generation event. These are tokens that I want to launch. So as you can come here, you can see Anoma. If you're on Twitter, you know Anoma is like big, same to billions. Let's look at OpenSea. It's down right now in mindshare, but it's just to show you that these things are about to launch. Same thing with Linear and the rest. I hope this video helps you to understand what OpenSea and how to actually farm OpenSea for the Opensea Airdrop, which can launch at any time. So go hard. If you like stuff like this, please don't forget to give me a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. I make videos talking about stuff like this and even more videos that keep you in depth or give you in-depth insight on what's happening in the cryptocurrency industry from time to time. See you guys in the next video. Peace.